I'm Michael Downs. I'm the CTO with Evolving Solutions. And today with me, I've got Tony Peters, who's the director of our modern networking practice that I know that you've talked quite a bit about is some of the things that come up with leveraging different kinds of cloud services and how you secure that. What are you seeing around that in the marketplace?
I'm seeing a lot of room for improvement, I would say that. And there is it's a constantly evolving technology access method that even the CSPs are providing clients to be able to consume, and so it's staying abreast of what are the new security features that can be enabled, not enabled, how to architect things. And namely, kind of where are my data leak points if I'm going to be starting to stand up some new PaaS service and that's publicly accessible. Who's monitoring that? How are they monitoring that? And am I using a centralized ingress egress model throughout that CSP, or am I allowing a more distributed model? And if I'm doing that, what am I doing for audit and compliance and securing those services? And so those are all areas that we like to look into and ensure that clients are well taken care of.
Yeah, I think that to me is one of the most interesting parts of public cloud adoption, whether it's network or otherwise, is how do you continue to do the things that we've always done as an operations team, including things like audit and compliance, when that stuff doesn't live inside of your data center anymore, and actually you're split between your data center and someplace else. So I'm not surprised that we're starting to have those conversations with clients. So thanks for joining me today, Tony. I really appreciate it. Hope you have a good rest of your week.
You too.
Take care.